You're at a loss for words. We have all the cabinets now.
I don't write anything. Pickle projects. We're back in the kitchen. Okay, let's try this again. Pickle projects. Check it out. We got the cabinets assembled and ready to go. Man, they look great. Doesn't she look great? So this is a before shot. These ugly brown, kind of hard to get a feel of what the actual color is on a phone, but just imagine that, but throw up the earth.
It's like sad.
Yeah, it's very sad. Anyway, so Ashley is going to tackle those next, and she's going to make them look like granite. So you'll get to see what that looks like after that's finished. And now, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to show you where I am in the bathroom. We got walls galore, and they're pretty much ready to go. So these parts are ready, and I even did this corner back here, which needs to be sanded and then remudded one more time. But everything else is ready to go. You would not know that there used to be a hole there. It looks wholly different. And I even patched that hole right there. Not that. That's supposed to be there. I'm talking about this right here. So we'll continue on our journey to prepare our home to be lived in. And the next time you see it, well, it might not look that much different because I'm filming a lot, but over time, in increments, you'll see differences. So, see you next time.